Well, Landon, I'd love to jump into the format for the show while we've got you in the hot seat. And we ask every guest before they go the same four questions. So the first question we like to ask is about a miss or two that maybe happened along the way and what you learned from it.
I think it's a great question. I think it's broad on purpose, right? And I think that when I could sit here and talk to you about business misses all day, but I think that for anybody who's listening, the biggest misses in our life that we can learn from are the ones inside of ourselves and the ones that we deal with personally. And so I feel like the times in my life where I've had the most success is where I've been the most self-aware. And so when I've struggled with certain things, like, my 20s, I was partying too much, focusing too much on, fun versus play versus, my career. When I was able to kind of take a step back and look at kind of who I was and who I really wanted to be and how those things weren't really aligning very well, I was able to make change. And so, I think that sometimes we go through life and we're acting in a certain way, but maybe we don't even realize it. But for those of us who can kind of take that step back and say, no, I want better for myself, and I'm willing to kind of, take those hard truths on, hey, this is going well or this isn't, and I need to make some changes if I really want to be the best version of myself. And so, I had to go through that, and I've been through that. And so, I would not be here today if had I not, kind of addressed some of these things that I was dealing with.